had a mama there. Must have had a little boy. Talked like a rabbit. Baby. Want a peanut? Nope. I'm out of here, she said. Hey, the woodpecker was just up there. Did y'all catch that? The woodpecker was up on his little thing I made for him. Where is he? God damn it. I can't see, guys, but he's supposed to be right in the Y of that, in the center of the screen. He was just up on top of his feeder, doing an up and down thing. I can't see him. The sun's not the best here. Pretty cool. I hadn't seen him in a couple days, so I was worried he did not move in, but I'm sure he's here somewhere. He's not touching the box. The little ass squirrels are messing with it a little every day, a little less each day. I think there's 4 kits, so they each got to take a turn falling, trying to get in it and messing with it. That's kind of nice. I wish I had my... the stick. I'm sneaking up on them and trying to get a different angle and away from the sun, but I'm having a terrible time. I'm hoping the hell I'm pointing at him. He can make no noise. He ain't gonna move. Well, come on, woodpecker. Wonder if he sees me. I'm trying to do anything to get more comfortable because I'm dying. I gotta go for the chair. If I go for the chair, he's liable to take off. But this is all you're gonna do, buddy. It was nice to see him up on top of the bird feeder. I gotta make the bird feeder stronger. I'm gonna put a big piece of wood on top. That pole will really fix it up nice. What are you gonna do up there, buddy? What are you gonna do? I'm gonna go sit in the chair, guys. My neck is breaking. Nothing I do changes the images a lot because of the sun positioning. Did you hear that call over there? That's another woodpecker. It was over in the pine trees calling this one, which may make this one take off. Guys, as you can tell, I gotta get the chair. There could be another one right there. No, that's the boat-tail grackle. I found a chair. Oh, shit. There, that's what I wanted. Where am I? Where am I? Where am I? See, that made special for the woodpecker. That's so cool. I got that camera over there that swivel on it. So there'll be 2 images of the woodpecker today. And I'm pretty stable right now. Let me get my elbows. Oh shit, he took off again. Right back over to here. You know what it's doing? I'll tell you what it's doing. Did you see that hawk go by? God damn it. It is. It might be picking insects, but it might be going over there, grabbing a sunflower seed and tucking it in. Look. Cardinal's not happy about the woodpecker being here. The woodpecker's not happy about the cardinal being here. Guys and gals, I'm having a very hard time following. So excuse me. I'm in the shade. A cardinal, one of the male cardinals, running around mad as can be. They may have little chicks in the nests and stuff, and woodpecker might be dangerous. See, it's going back and forth. Oh, look at that shot, guys and gals. Look at that pretty shot. See, that cardinal has something to say. Oh, there's two. Or I'm not following very well. Can't see it anymore, guys and gals. I know it's up there. Pause. Anyway, that's kind of cool. I'll pause down here. What she's doing is you see how they're all coming. They love the bird feeder thing, so I can't make it too strong or the doves will go up there, and I don't want doves up there, and it's wobbly and shaky, and so I think I might leave it because it's working. A bunch of doves up there just cause issue. The grackle can get up there. What is that thing? Do you see that thing? Where'd it go? That's a baby woodpecker. Boy, this is a feast. A woodpecker feast, if I can find them, guys and gals. They're so little and so fast, I can't keep up. That's a red-bellied woodpecker, too. Do I have it? God, they're all getting along, too. All the different species of birds. So far, they're getting along. They love that bird feeder thing. The grackle gonna come down. That's a woodpecker making that noise. Look at how close those two are together. That grackle and that woodpecker are standing close to each other. See them? Are they flirting? Oh, it's too bad. Here's what's happening now, guys and gals. The sun is doing that thing. Sometimes off the gimbal, sometimes off my screen. I can't believe that the grackle and the woodpecker were like a foot apart, a foot and a half. Well, this could go on all day if I could follow them. It'd be more pleasurable. Giving up the 4K, guys and gals. It just does not let me. Doesn't want to let me take the. It takes too long for the videos to get off of it and onto my phone or onto a computer. It just, even at 4K, it's not that it's slow. It's that it won't connect half the time. It's driving me nuts. If it worked every time, I already got enough trouble with the gimbal. Look at that shot, guys and gals. See what that guy is doing is, where'd he go? I followed him. He's taking the sunflower seeds. They like the silver gray sunflower seeds, they're called. I think they're called silver gray. They have a silver stripe around them. Oh shit, I'm out of data, guys and gals. I gotta go. Beautiful day with the birds, the woodpeckers, the grackle, cardinals. Hope you all enjoy the birds. I put up a bird video this morning. I'm gonna put up another one. Look at the activity. As soon as I push OK on this thing, it's gonna crash us. So anyway, look at them. All these birds get along. And they're different colors. Who knew?